Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. We have made it halfway through the week. It is a Wednesday, and this is Lindsay. I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I've seen in the comments that some of you are looking for like part-time non-phone positions, and I've seen also in the comments that some of you are looking for jobs where you can like work anytime. I am still on the hunt for those, but I do have 2 part-time positions in this video, and I have 3 full-time positions, so we have 5 total. So hopefully I have a little bit of something for everyone. Of course, if you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about searching all the job boards that are out there, trying to weed out the scams, looking for the best jobs that are hiring remote work from home, and sharing them with you on a daily basis. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on. And as always, I just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Links and timestamps are in the YouTube description box below this video. Starting off strong, we have Amazon. Now, Amazon is paying up to $2,000 a week. We do have some other ones that pay fairly decent, but Amazon is paying very high for the position that they're hiring for. They really need no introduction. They are Amazon. I think we all know them. They have 199,000 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a risk specialist for their perfect order experience. Now, over here on the side, it says it's virtual for the United States only. Now, Amazon's perfect order experience team tries to really make sure that the buyer receives authentic products in the condition and functionality that they were expecting. So they design and implement policies, tools, and technology innovation to protect the buying experience on Amazon, so people will really just trust in buying on Amazon. They are looking for somebody to compile, organize, prepare, and maintain an assortment of records, reports, and information in an effective manner. So you're really going to have to know how to use reporting with this position. You're going to use your judgment in routine and non-routine situations, just planning, organizing, and prioritizing daily assignments and work activities. You're going to identify gaps and try to mitigate or minimize risk observed in current processes and policies, and help increase the efficiency and effectiveness of the operations by providing recommendations with your professional and personal judgment to help Amazon make sure that their global marketplace is safeguarded against fraud and things like that. So they really are looking for somebody who has a bachelor degree, although it doesn't say that you have to have a bachelor degree in any specific field, just a bachelor degree, and 2 years of experience in risk or consulting, program management, business intelligence, or even a data analyst, someone who can run reports and really just tell the story with the data. You've got to be able to exercise independently high judgment skills, somebody who can perform root cause analysis. So again, just looking at that data, and they do prefer somebody who has SQL or database knowledge. Pay for this position is going to be dependent on location in which you are in, but pay goes anywhere from $47,500 a year in their lowest demographic market up to $107,200 a year in their highest demographic market. Now, if you're looking for something that is part-time, Ballot Ready is hiring. They have 42 reviews with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a 2024 elections contract researcher. This is going to be remote, again, anywhere in the United States. We are in an election year in the United States, and so the company has worked with organizations like Snapchat, TikTok, Spotify, and even the Miami Heat to help inform and turn out over 35 million voters. So now they're focused on the upcoming elections that are going to be happening at the end of 2024. And they're really looking for somebody to research election topics. Like, elections can range from like national level to local special district levels. So like example of Illinois Metropolitan Water Reclamation District is something that they throw out there. So candidates for these selected elections, you're going to research their experience, their qualifications, their incumbent status, their issue stances. So all of these candidates that are running in all these elections, where do they stand on these certain important issues? So you're going to research all of this information online, putting this guide together basically of what is different between these different people who are running for these different offices. So you are going to research elected positions too, like what roles and responsibilities do the Bergen County clerk do, so you're basically going to be doing all this research and putting together a guide so someone who is not in politics can understand really what the position they're voting on really does, what the different candidates stand for, and what their stances of certain specific issues are. So you can really just put it in terms that are easy to understand for others. Because of that, this position is going to require strong attention to detail, great time management skills, great communication skills, and you're going to have to be comfortable navigating different research methods, like looking at local offices, like maybe you have to research things with the clerk of courts, things like that. Pay is anywhere from $15 an hour up to $17.50 an hour. You do have to commit at least 15 to 20 hours per week. You do have to have your own computer and internet access for this one. It is a contract role, and they are looking for people to start now. They were really looking for people to start back in January, but this role is temporary. It goes through January of 2025. Moving right along, though, next up we have a Babylist hiring. Babylist has 32 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a category specialist. Now, I feel like I shared this one not that long ago, so I don't know if they're still hiring and taking applications or if they're hiring for another category specialist, but they're really looking for somebody to help in their e-commerce business by categorizing merchandise. You're going to create and manage those product pages for a large and growing number of products in their store. So you're partnering with suppliers to source raw product data, assets, and samples. You'll do the detail for the products, making sure it's accurate, including pricing, naming, supplier details, categorization. You're going to make sure all that is entered into the system without any errors. Just managing ongoing product pricing changes and promotional executions. So you're going to review a Babylist shop storefront and pages regularly, making sure the opportunities for improvement, just making sure that everything is correct, cross-referencing the website, the content, the inventory levels, things like that. If you've never heard of a Babylist, I went to a baby shower a few weeks ago and they were registered with Babylist. And so what it is when you go to their baby registry, before in the past, people would have to register at each individual store. Like they would have to go to Target and register at Target, and then they would have to register at Amazon, and then they would have to register at Walmart or Babies R Us. And so they'd be registered at all these different places with all these different lists. Babylist, they just make a list of all the things they want, and then when you go on their registry on Babylist, it gives you all the different retailers that sell this specific item and the prices that retailer sells it at. So if you're looking for this specific Graco bouncy seat blue fishies or something, it'll say that it's sold at Walmart and Target, Amazon, and Babies R Us or whatever. It'll list all the stores you can get this specific item at, and it'll tell you the price at each one. You can even click into the store and order it online for the best price, have it sent right to you. It is a great resource. I highly enjoyed ordering for the baby shower off of a Babylist. But they are really looking for somebody who has great attention to detail, great organizational skills, somebody who can be a team player, who's passionate about consumer products, trends, merchandising. You've got to have strong customer service type skills, great editorial grammar skills, 1 to 2 years of experience, and they do prefer a bachelor degree, but it says they'll take equivalent experience over that, as long as you know how to use all those computer systems, Google Suites or Microsoft Office. Now, pay is anywhere from $45,650 a year up to $68,475 a year. But keeping it moving, next up we have a PetSmart hiring. PetSmart has 9,700 reviews, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a remote reservation associate. Now, one thing to quickly note, you do have to be in certain states for this one. They're only hiring in Arkansas, Georgia, Texas, Oklahoma, Idaho, Florida, and Louisiana. But they are looking for somebody to basically do reservations for all of their PetSmart services, like their pet hotels, their grooming salon, their pet training classes. So you're going to answer those incoming phone calls from pet parents, assisting them with scheduling all of their appointments and answering any questions about the services. So you'll make sure that all additional service opportunities are presented to the pet parent when making the appointment. So maybe they call in to make a grooming appointment. You're like, okay, do you also want to have them trained or sign up for all? You'll try to upsell them on other services while they're booking the service they're calling in for. So you're just making sure that you ensure all information is correctly obtained from them, making sure you have everything you need for the pet's appointment. So you do need problem solving skills. But other than that, just a high school diploma, great communication and grammar skills, and you've got to be, of course, fluent in English and be great with pets, doing the individual like quality talk time, sales, things like that. Now, this one does pay a little bit on the lower end. It's anywhere from $13.12 an hour up to $14.55 an hour. And last but not least, we have another part-time position. The company is Steno. They have 41 reviews, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a part-time virtual tech assistant. So this one is going to require you to be on video conferencing some. So if you don't like other people to see you like on video, this one might not be for you. But they are looking for somebody to provide face-to-face on-camera technical video and audio support during remote depositions, troubleshooting audio and video issues for their clients in real time. So Steno is a law service, or they work with lawyers, and so they are having their clients come in to the office, and of course they do depositions on video and make sure it's recorded, and maybe sometimes even the client sets up like their video Zoom device or whatever and does their deposition virtually. Whatever the reason, you need to make sure that there's no audio or video issues, that the whole process runs smoothly. So you are just basically there to offer tech support if there is an issue. Otherwise, if there's no issues, you're just sitting there watching the deposition, standing by in case there are any issues. You're going to organize any documents needed for these virtual depositions, ensuring that the clients are comfortable using the platform, which is the Steno Connect platform, answering any technical questions as they come up. So you're going to speak to the clients, be professional and courteous. So you'll have to quickly learn online platforms, different ones that they use, making sure that you know how to use them so you can just take care of any of those tech issues when they come up. They are looking for somebody who has 2 years of customer service experience, 1 year experience with video, audio conferencing. They prefer someone who has Zoom experience, but like me personally, I use WebEx a lot in the conferences that I attend working from home. Almost the same thing. I have used Zoom. They do work a little bit different, but they want somebody who can basically just be organized, coordinate the different moving parts, so great attention to detail and very organized. They're looking for somebody to work at least 20 hours a week, Monday through Friday, and pay is $20 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything you are looking for. I can never make any promises. I do read those and keep that in mind though. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and of course I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.